drifting with the flock. K is for kangaroo, bouncing all day long. L is for lion with a brave, bold song. Roar! M is for monkey, swinging high and free. ABC, you sang with me, animals happy as they can be. From A to F, we learned today you're smart and kind. Hip hip hooray!